In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep on your desktop 5 minutes. Google Keep is a simple, fast way to capture ideas, lists, and reminders that sync across your devices. Let's set it up and get you comfortable with the core features you'll use every day. Start by opening a browser and going to keepgoogle.com, or use the app if you prefer that experience. Sign in with your Google account so your notes are backed up and available anywhere. On the main screen, you'll see a box that says Take a Note. Click into it, give your note a clear title to make it easy to spot later, and then type your content in the body. There's no save button to worry about. Keep saves automatically. Just click close or click anywhere outside the note and it will appear on your board. There are a few different kinds of notes you can create. A text note is the basic title and body format, perfect for quick thoughts or longer ideas. If you're making a to-do list, switch to a checklist by using the checklist icon that looks like a box with lines. Add items one per line and click the checkbox to mark them done. Completed items will move out of your way so you can focus on what's next. If you like visual thinking, use the drawing option to sketch directly in a note. It's handy for diagrams, quick layouts, or handwriting ideas. You can also record a voice memo with the microphone icon. Keep will capture your audio and transcribe it to text. If prompted, allow microphone access so it can record. And when you need visuals, create an image note by uploading pictures from your computer or taking a new photo. Great for receipts, whiteboards, or inspiration. Once you've got notes going, organize them so everything stays easy to find. Use the paint palette icon to change a note's color. Color coding by project or priority makes scanning your board much faster. Add labels to group-related notes. Click Add Label and choose or create a label or type a quick hashtag within the note to make searching easier. If something is important or time-sensitive, pin it using the pushpin icon so it stays at the top. When a note is finished but you don't want to delete it, archive it to keep your main view clean while preserving the content. To stay on track, click the bell icon to set reminders by date and time or even by location. And if you're working with others, use the collaborator icon to share a note so everyone can view and edit together. That's it, clean, quick, and powerful. Open Keep, jot your idea, choose the right format, and organize with colors, labels, pins, archives, reminders, and sharing.